We know that Iran has uranium enrichment,
Hmm.
and so if they are ever nuked, it'll take about 6 weeks to build their own nuclear device. This is something that MIT professor Ted Postol has explained very clearly on YouTube. So Ted Postol,
I've never seen him.
Postol.
I'm gonna look it up now.
He's very good. Oh my God,
Ted
definitely.
Postal.
Yeah, you guys should get him on Jimmy Dore because he's fantastic.
Mm.
Postol, Postol, MIT
Oh,
professor.
Postol. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, and he knows ballistics. He knows nuclear devices. He's an MIT professor, and he tells people it'll take Iran exactly 6 weeks to go from uranium enrichment to a usable nuclear device. And they'll have about like 10 in about 6 weeks' time. Okay,
Hmm.
so that's a turn enough. The fact that they have the uranium in place, and that's why Trump wants to go in and actually get that uranium out in order to remove the deterrent. That's point one. Point two is what people are saying is that either Pakistan or North Korea provided 3 nukes to Iran.
Oh, I hadn't heard this detail.
Okay, that's what the rumor is. Now, if you're Iran and someone gives you a nuclear weapon, I mean that's a bit like a Trojan horse, right? Because first of all, you don't actually know what's in that stupid thing because you didn't design it yourself,
Hmm.
right? You don't even know if it works. And
Hmm.
also, like the thing about nuclear
Oh, I
weapons,
didn't even consider that. I didn't even consider that.
yeah, yeah,
Mhm.
you don't even know if it works, so you're gonna have to test it. If you test it, then Israel's gonna come and nuke you, right?
You're not going to threaten
Uh,
to test it, right?
right, because that's just
Right.
retarded. You have 3 nukes, you use test one, and then that gives Israel a pretext to come and nuke you.
Right.
And then the thing about nuclear weapons that's very important is the delivery system. So, it's basically like you need protection, you need a condom, and you just can't like do you know what I mean? It's like you
Yeah.
need the thing to be you need to be able to deliver that thing safely to your target.
Uh huh.
And
And
so
also socially, like, you ever see that old prison show Oz, where one episode there's a gun smuggled in the prison, and the Irish guy who he was on 30 Rock, and he played the Beeper King boyfriend, but he goes, he knew he couldn't use the gun himself in a prison. Okay, big.
yeah,
So
that's
they
right.
found a bullied French guy that was doing graffiti, who was getting picked on by these black guys that he wanted dead. So he gave him the gun because the guy was already in suicide kamikaze mode. It's like Greek tragedy kind of shit was Oz, this prison show. But that's what I always think about nukes. You need to, I mean, the problem with them to me is you can't, how are you going to use them? Like, you
Exactly.
just can't use them. I'd rather use my
Exactly.
weather weapons to give them a drought for 40 years?
And the third thing is that the previous Ayatollah Khamenei issued a fatwa saying you can't use nuclear weapons, you cannot
He
build nuclear
did.
weapons. He did, and they
Mhm.
take Islamic law very seriously, right? So there's a
Oh,
new
that's a great
Ayatollah.
point. Yes.
Yeah, they take it seriously, man. These are Islamists. It's
Right.
it's a theocracy, man,
Uh-huh. Well,
right?
I thought it's really a military dictatorship, but they still got to pay
It's
homage
not.
to it. No?
That's
Did you
right.
say
Well,
theocracy?
no, it's a theocracy, and the IRGC is like the militant wing of this theocracy, right? It's basically the private army of the
Oh,
mullahs.
like the Jesuits of the, okay.
Exactly,
Mm-hmm.
exactly, right. So what matters
Mm-hmm.
is the Islamic law. The previous Ayatollah issued a fatwa stating very clearly, we will never develop nuclear weapons and we will never use nuclear weapons. You would need a new fatwa to override that, and that's a very laborious process.
I just got on the show and blowing my mind already, Professor Jiang, because I didn't think of not one of these angles that you just told me. None of them I had considered at all.
Yeah, so I guarantee you they do not have nuclear weapons.
Very
But
interesting. But could
but
they
but the
be
point
lying on a
is,
line?
excuse me?
Could they have been doing so? Maybe that thing with Pakistan is not even remotely true, or do you think they're?
No,
Mm,
no, 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 no. I don't know where the rumor comes from because, it seems to me it's narrative shaping where the Americans are trying to find a pretext to use nukes on Iran.
oh, right. Yes, they. I mean, Sam Harris. You'd think he would have done a good job sowing the seeds of we might have to nuke them preemptively, but he hasn't been as persuasive as I guess they would have.
Yeah, yeah, and Trump wants to use the nukes because like Trump wants an easy out. He wants he's talking about like going in and invading Karg Island. He's talked
Yeah, I
about
saw
sending
that today. That's not
yeah.
good.
It's no, it's a disaster. But like the guy's a boomer. He grew up on TV. It's hard to explain strategy to this guy. He's like, no, we'll just go in and we'll take Karg Island like Venezuela, and then Iran will surrender because that's
Oh, I
what
think
happened in
he's straight up
Venezuela.
programmed. I didn't want to believe
Exactly.
it. I think he's a straight up programmed dude. His brother died from substance abuse, probably
Yeah.
from being in a generational fucked up family like all of them are. He's kind of new money, and he's not working class, but he is in the realm of those people.
Yeah, he's new money.
Yeah, and so, but the new money to them is it goes back to Scottish Rite. Robert, like he does go back that far, but that's not enough. Whatever. I don't care about their stupid Harry Potter shit, but I didn't want to believe this, but I already have talked to so many victims of this scumbag. I don't know if you know the things that go on here in America, but they're wild. And the victims are all over the place. There's millions of them. Okay? So I listen to all the stories. Some of them sound schizo. You ever hear that term? They're just schizo. Yeah, a lot of them do. What happens with mass, I think it's called Project Gestalt now, is what I understand. I was calling it MK Retard, the mass rollout, but I believe there's a name for it, which is Gestalt. Tavistock. Of course, it's the Anglo-American world power, the greatest power ever. That's their thing. And once you see it, you could see their stupid hand shaping. That's why those angles you told me I would have never thought of. I would have never thought of them just from a lifetime of programming in that particular matrix, you know?
Yeah. So listen, Trump watches 3 hours of Fox News every single day. The guy talks to Sean Kennedy.
It's just for him.
Yeah, just for him, right? So you have to imagine there's some subconscious programming going on in that network.
It's a carrier wave.
Yeah, and Sean Hannity talks to him on the phone every single day, right? I'm sure Sean Hannity has some Jedi mind tricks, up his sleeve and stuff like that.
It's reinforcing because you got to reinforce this stuff with these people. You're not going to even be allowed to be in the realm to be picked because the background of him is Hillary. He was supposed to make Hillary win. Okay, that was the fucking.
Well, that was Hillary's plan. Yeah.
Right. And so the boomer part, it's funny because there's like a conspiracy part, and then there's this boomer part where they thought that would work, not understanding that Hillary is not a baby face in wrestling. Hillary's a heel. If you like her because she's the reasons that any normal human thinks she's evil, you like that, right? Just like with Trump. But the thing is, Trump made big talk and big promises. It sounded real good, okay? And everybody's not, look, I'm dumb, but I'm not that. We're not that dumb. And even if we were that dumb, the economy's still fucked here. It's not. Yeah. Nobody cares about Wall Street if the gas is up and they can't afford things. So that breaks the Disney magic we live under. Unfortunately, I can't believe I judged North Korea in my life ever. When I think of the level of fucking stupid, and that thing you just said, I said this on Jimmy's show back when Biden was in Morning Joe. Like MSNBC was just for him. Whoever the president is. Now it's one thing if it's propaganda for the people, like some commie country. But the news, the cable news, you can watch it too, but it's for Trump.
Yeah.
That's how crazy the programming is.
Well, I mean, it's for baby boomers, right? So, like Barry Weiss is now head of both CBS News and CNN.
She's really good, yeah.
Yeah, she's amazing. The generational
I've met her.
You
I met her, and I assure you she was super impressive on an intellectual level in a way that it makes total sense. I want to make that clear.
Right. Yeah.
Hey, it's me, Kerp Stensger, host of The Derp with Kerp, here to tell you about Ridge Wallet. June is Ridge Wallet month, and it's a perfect time to buy the last wallet you'll ever need. You can choose from over 50 colors and styles. It's made of high-quality materials like titanium, leather, and carbon fiber. I mean, it looks like a weapon. That's why I put all my stuff in. Plus, it's got RFID blocking technology. Now, I don't know what that stands for, but I do know it's how they get your info and then spend money on your credit card. And guess what? In this new AI God world we live in, no one's going to care. You get customer service to help? No, you're not. The AI doesn't know what you're talking about. It's not alive. Okay? Now, I suggest you go check out Ridge Wallet's key cases, rings, and portable chargers. They even make waterproof luggage and backpacks, which I expect them to send to me because I'm enjoying the wallet and I would like the rest of their fine products for free, please. So it's a little advertisement for me in this ad to Ridge to send me more of their stuff. Now, for a limited time, Ridge is running their huge Father's Day sale where you can get up to 40% off on their best gear. I could probably buy that luggage, okay, instead of demanding it from them because that sounds like a great deal, but I still want it for free. If they don't give me the luggage, I will probably take that 40% off deal, actually. They should give it to me, right? Anyway, you can save 40%. Just head to ridge.com/derp, DERP, and don't miss out on one of their biggest discounts all year. That's ridge.com/derp for up to 40% off. And after you purchase, they'll ask you where you heard about them. So please support the show and say, my good friend Kerp Stensger, a sitting judge and astronaut, who recently went to Turkey and used his Ridge wallet to block Turkish thieves from stealing his info while he was getting his hair. Ridge wallet. It's not Ridge. It's not a wallet. It's a Ridge wallet. I don't know. There's not any slogan. Just get a Ridge wallet and say that I sent you, or I don't get the credit. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. No, but I mean, it's programming for the boomers. Even Disclosure Day. Have you seen the new film yet, Disclosure Day?
No, I made a failed prediction that I thought I was going to deal with this parasite thing that I was told by my friend who was in one of them programs. But I've spoiled it already. The real disclosures, the friends we made along the way, as you probably thought. And it